This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming readiness. Can your child sit, tell you they need to go, and stay dry for a couple hours? Once ready, put the potty in a consistent spot and show them exactly how it's used. Make the first step a short, supervised session after waking or meals. Encourage them to sit even without results. Offer simple praise immediately when they try, and remove daytime diapers to build body awareness, but keep naps separate for now. You now build momentum by creating a predictable schedule. Take them to the potty every 60 to 90 minutes and after key events like meals or drink sessions. Make prompts brief and positive and use 1 or 2 rewards, sticker, high five, to reinforce success. Teach self-care steps, pulling pants, wiping, and hand washing through guided repetition. Once done, gradually lengthen intervals and encourage them to tell you first. Keep sessions calm so they don't fear trying. You finish by consolidating gains. Move to underwear full-time when accidents are rare and keep nighttime separate with mattress covers and reduced late fluids. Make outings manageable by practicing a quick potty routine beforehand and carrying backup clothes. If setbacks happen, regression, fear, or new accidents, stay neutral, shorten steps, and go back to closely timed trips for several days to rebuild confidence. If severe or prolonged, consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.